Good morning, student. Today we are going to start with fourth chapter of 10th class Geography ICSC, Climate of India. Climate of India. Okay. So I think you know the difference between weather and climate. Weather is basically for the short period of time. Weather is for the short period of time, and climate is for long period of time. Okay, weather is for short period of time and climate is for long period of time. Weather can change day to day, hour to hour, whereas climate cannot change so fast. We take the data of some 20 to 50 years, and then a climate of a place is being decided. So the basic difference between weather and climate is this only, that weather is for short term, short period atmospheric condition, whereas climate is for long period. And today we are going to study about the climate of our country, climate of India. Okay, so we can see that basically there are two factors which influence the climate of our country. First is the presence of Tropic of Cancer. You see this presence of Tropic of Cancer, which is 23.5 degrees north, which completely divides our country into two temperature zones, two, that is tropical and temperate, the part above the Tropic of Cancer, which is 23.5 degrees, is temperate zone, and the part below the Tropic of Cancer is tropical zone. So why these two zones? Because the temperature they receive is different. The areas which is below Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5, gets direct rays of the sun throughout the year, and twice a year they get overhead sun, whereas the area which is above the Tropic of Cancer, that is temperate, does not get direct rays of the sun as it is above that, because sun don't go above 23.5 because of the inclination of the earth axis, which is 23.5 from the vertical and 66.5 from the horizontal, from the plane. So that is why we have two zones, because the amount of temperature they get is different. The temperature which the places which are below Tropic of Cancer get more temperature, whereas the places which are above Tropic of Cancer get less temperature. So this is how the presence of Tropic of Cancer, which just passes from the center of our country, affect the climate of our country. Then second is the Great Himalayas. Great Himalayas, we all know this, that whenever we discuss about mountains, then we see the stretch of the mountain. Got it? So the stretch of the mountain Himalayas are from west to east. So that situation, that stretch is very very important, because they block the moisture laden winds, and they also block the bitter colds which come from the. Just see now the presence of Tropic of Cancer. You can see this line, the presence of Tropic of Cancer, which goes from the center of Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so now you see that the states which are above the Tropic of Cancer are Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, then Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh. The places which are down to Tropic of Cancer, below the Tropic of Cancer, are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, all this. Some of the states are there which are, some of the parts are in the temperate zone, whereas some part in the tropical zone, because the Tropic of Cancer passes from the center of that states are Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, some part of Chhattisgarh, and some part of West Bengal also. Got it this? So this is how the Tropic of Cancer influence the temperature of our country, which divide our country into two climatic zone. That above of Tropic of Cancer is temperate and below Tropic of Cancer is tropical. Okay. So now see, there are certain factors which affect the climate of a place. Like we have already discussed the factor which affect the climate of our country, that is the presence of Tropic of Cancer and the presence of Himalayas. Now there are some factors which affect the climate of a place, है ना? We all know this, that the climate of Delhi or climate of Chennai and climate of Calcutta, Bhopal, they are all different. This difference is because there are certain factors which influence the climate of a place. First is the first is temperature. We all know this. The places which are near to the sea get different amount, will have oceanic influence. The places which are below to the Tropic of Cancer, they get direct rates, so more temperature there. Places which are above will be getting less temperature. So the amount of temperature a place gets also affects the climate of a place. Got it this? Then second is the rainfall. And some places get more rainfall, some places get less rainfall, some places get moderate rainfall. So that also influence the climate of a place. That also will decide the temperature of the place. Got it? And so the places which are below the Tropic of Cancer, because of the ocean's presence there, they get more rainfall. In our country, we have Moseran, which gets the highest amount of rainfall, that is 1187 centimeters annually. Whereas we have places in Rajasthan which get very, very less, as it is a desert area, very less rainfall, that is 25 centimeters only. So these are two factors which affect the climate of a place, which also decides the climate of a place. So temperature, some places get more, some places get very less, some places get very high. Then rainfall. Then next is the atmospheric pressure. So what is atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure is the pressure exerted by the atmosphere, atmospheric air, atmosphere. So that is atmospheric pressure. So we all know this, that as we go up height wise altitude, as we go up height wise altitude, the atmospheric pressure decreases because of the gravity of the earth. The higher gases, the heavier gases are at the lower layers of the atmosphere, whereas when we go up, the atmospheric pressure decreases. So that also affects the climate of a place. So we see that a place may be on the same latitudes but may be having different climatic condition. That is because of the altitude. The places which are at high altitude will be getting less temperature, less atmospheric pressure. So that is why when we climb on hill, the atmospheric pressure decreases, also the amount of oxygen. So it become difficult to stay there, to survive there. Then the direction of the wind. So as we see, when the wind come from desert area, from the hot area, it will increase the temperature of that place. Whereas if the wind come from the cold area, it will decrease the temperature of that place. For example, if the winds are coming from Thar desert, like in the summer, basically the wind come from Thar desert, which increase the temperature of Uttar Pradesh. Whereas in the winter season, when the wind come from Himalayas, it decreases the temperature. So the direction of the wind also very, very effective for influencing the climate of the place. Got it? So for today, we will only discuss the factors which affect the climate of our country and the factors which affect the climate of our place. Now you can see the presence of Himalayas also. The stretch of Himalayas are from west to east or east to west. This stretches there, which is very important because it block the moisture laden winds which come from southwest direction and give the rainfall in this area. It gave the rainfall in this area, which is basically the windward area, whereas this side will be dry. So got at this. So the stretch of Himalaya, the presence of Himalaya, which is west to east, is very important, which influence the climate of our country because it stopped the moisture rain bearing winds of southwest and gave rainfall to our country. Whereas in the winter season, it stops. Whereas in the winter season, it stop the winds which are coming from Central Asia, bitter winds, cold winds which comes from Central Asia, which are in winter season basically. So and this is how the temperature in winter does not go very below. So basically these are the two factors which affect the climate of our country. First is the presence of Tropic of Cancer, which divided into two temperature zone, that is temperate up and tropical down, and also the presence of Himalaya, which is stretched from west to east. This is how it blocked the moisture laden winds, gives rainfall, and also block the bitter cold winds from Central Asia to enter our country in winter season. So that is all for today, and we will take the next part in the next session.